Welcome back to WoodlandWrench. If you've been following the channel, you know that we've been doing some serious work to the Massey Ferguson 165 here. Well, today is the day that we put all of that wrenching to the test. We're not just going to take this chunk of iron for a walk, we'll be putting it through an off-road challenge. We're currently driving to a mud pit located at the bottom of a pretty steep hill in the woods here, which will be a great test for our newly repaired front axle. There will be some four-wheel drive and diff lock action going on in order to climb out of that mud pit. I think it'll be a lot of fun. I hope you enjoy. Let's get muddy.
Quite stuck now, so let's see if the four-wheel drive will get us out of that or if we have to turn it up just a little bit more. Alright, so the four-wheel drive needs just a little bit more. It's not quite enough. This is so wet. Okay, so we're stuck in there pretty good. I got up with the four-wheel drive and the diff lock, but front axle didn't spin the wheels at all. It needs just a little bit more. It shouldn't be completely locked. The transfer case should slip a little bit, but yeah, it needs a little bit more. Let's adjust it. Something like that. I forgot about these trees. Actually, I need to get those out of there. Took those trees down straight across my road, and then I forgot about them until now. Well, I was in here and I did pull out a few logs, but then I felled those afterwards. They've been there since wintertime. I'm gonna have to see if I can get those out of there. Hopefully they're good enough for my sawmill and I can make some lumber out of it. This is super wet right there. I think I'll just back down again and try to drive up with just a four-wheel drive without the diff lock. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so I needed the diff lock anyway, but at least now the wheels are spinning. So I think that should be good. I don't want it too much, but I think it's at a nice place now to where it'll slip if it becomes too much. Hopefully. Otherwise we'll have to turn it back down a little. That feels good. Feels much better. It's quite deep in there. I'm up to mud to the steering linkage. Now we'll turn around and drive the other way. See how that goes. It's quite muddy here, and obviously I have to fix this. There's supposed to be a pipe underneath the road that's clogged or crushed or something, and I also need to make this slope a little bit less sharp because this is not usable. It's a good test for the tractor though, but I will come in here with the excavator and fix this up before winter.
Growing up, I was a weird kid. See, no matter what I ever did, all the normal guys would never quit poking fun at me. Mama tried to make me regular. She said the Lord above was testing her as I grew more and more peculiar, unashamedly. When people say that I'm a strange duck, I tell them maybe so, but so what?